So today is the new episode about how are we going to use thinking cube framework with NLP. We have already seen that we have six phases about macro thinking, macro level thinking, right? That is detailed to global. There is reality phase of the cube, possibility phase where we are looking for fact and possibilities. There's also negatives and positives are also two more phases. Now, why we are considering all this? See, we all are living life of polarity. It's we don't live into middle. Suppose somebody likes food, he either eat as much as he can, or he will go fasting. But it is very difficult to stay in between, stay in the middle way, and you know behave sober. It's very difficult. So, for example, we either like something or dislike something, but there is no middle way. Like, okay, I don't like this person, but at the same time, I can be with that person. That is very stressful for us. Right? Same way we love somebody or we hate somebody. We can do few things, we can't do few things. So these are the polarities we are living in. It's like yes or no, day or night. It's very strange. That's why there is symbol called yin and yang in Japanese. We have concept of Shiva and Shakti in India, right? So basically, now when I'm not telling that everybody is living this life, but most of the people, like there is a rule of 80-20, right? 80% of the people are living this rule, 20% are exception. Out of this 80 also, 40% are living this polarity, 40 are living this polarity. It may be 40, instead of 40, it can be 35, 45 kind of. Right? So now what happens when you are focusing on one polarity, you completely miss the other, and that's something very bad. Suppose if somebody is inventing an aeroplane, that's good, wonderful, that's an invention. But at the same time, somebody was also required to invent a parachute, because if something goes wrong, then what will happen? And this is what is required, right? So if you think that okay, I will take this risk into business, I will make money. But now somebody will think, okay, but this is too risky. Why not to go for insurance? If you want to export, go for insurance. So this duality of thinking is a must. So I think when you focus on this framework and do something with this, it will be going to give wonderful results. So when you focus on one polarity, we say that, no, there is said that, and this is very many times said, but least understood thing. And attention goes, energy flows. It's like people are saying this like parrots, pa 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 pa, right? But they don't understand what it is actually, right? Definitely, it's really happens when you understand. Attention goes, energy flows. So what happens actually when we employ salespeople, but they are not the right fit for the sales job. We employ receptionists in our business, and they don't know people. And can you consider how this receptionist is going to create value for your customer? Not at all. So it's simply completely we miss the thing, miss something like a right person into the right seat. And when there is wrong person into the right seat, or the right person into the wrong seat, that's what happening into local businesses. When the businessman is running rather than like a company, they are running like just a not also firm, just like a petty partnership firm, like bhagidari petty kind of. So these are the worst way of doing business. What they do, they are putting a right person into the wrong seat, and that right person is sooner or later going to leave your company. Write it down. And still, I know that you will not understand why that person is leaving, because you are focusing only on you, that I am the right, I am the right, I am the right, but you are wrong. Listen to me. If you have problem getting good staff, that means you are putting right people into the wrong seats. Same way, You are putting also wrong people into the right seat. You have your cousin as a director, you have your brother-in-law as a director, you have your wife as a director. Your wife don't know anything about business, come to your business and scolding your manager, scolding your salesperson, and that's the wrong person into the right seat, and that's what you are doing. Do it. But the problem is, it's you who are going to suffer, because when somebody leaves your job, see, those who want to work, na, they will get job anywhere. But what you will do? How are you going to find good people to work for you? You want to throw peanuts? In throwing peanuts, lions will not come. Only monkeys will come. Understood? So that's what something you need to understand. So start using this framework. Try to understand how thinking cube works, and see whatever your concerns are. Right? Just see what are your concerns and apply this framework. Use each phase. I would definitely suggest actually. I have innate entrepreneur frequency model where we understand that okay, what is now the right person into the right seat. Also, right person into the right business. Are you the right person into the right business? I bet no, because you don't know who you are. You don't know what this business needs, and still you are doing it, and that is the reason you are not doing the business as good as you can. Right? For example, you think that oh, I am doing good business, but there are lots of people in the world, they are doing many fold than you, they are doing 100 times, 1,000 times much more turnover than your business. Still you don't understand. You think I am doing good business. No, you are doing your business from comparison. Yes, I am doing good from my neighbor, from my brother-in-law. That's comparison. Oh, do you think okay, I wanted to show up to my parents, I wanted to show up to my somebody friends or whatever, and now that is proven, you are satisfied and your business is stuck. Listen to me carefully, your business is stuck because you are living life of proving, you are living life of comparison, you are living life of please others, looking good or at least avoid looking bad, and that is going to make your business stuck, and you are actually having that big opportunity cost that you can do many things wasted. And definitely there are people who think okay, I am doing very bad business. Yes, you are right, right now you are doing bad business, but there is lots of potential inside you, there is lots of potential into your business also, and you can do it. So these are the things about using this framework, and I think that's what I wanted to share with you. So next in the next episode we are going to discuss coaching question based on this. Just use this framework as much as you can, and you will get lots of benefits. And do tell me what are the benefits you are receiving after using this framework. Thank you. Bye.